And now to tell you, here is the video for exchange the product picture. You can go like over here. This is our Shopify store. I hope you have access for it. Then you can go on the product. You see all the normal things. Then you see the media. You can choose this button and delete. And then you can go like here and have a look. This is number 1. Then you can make copy and go to the other Excel sheet. You can now search for this number. I don't know if you want to bring it more in front. For me, it's not a problem. I don't know. And then you can have a look. Okay, that's the first one. This must be this AIN number. The Colin told me with this AIN number you should find it. And then this is this picture, and you can upload it on the Shopify store. You know which product it is, and then you can upload it here with the white background. I don't know, I don't have the picture right here, but I think you understand. And then you can open it or upload it, and after you can save it. That's over here. And after you save it, you can go to the main website, go to the product you change it, which product, and then from here, I think that's the easiest way. I don't know, maybe you know a better way than me, but I only know this way. You can go over here and go to the URL link, the copy of the picture, and then you can take it from here, copy it, and go back to the main Excel sheet. And here it's very important that in main image URL you put in the right URL.